If you want to crack the FRM exam on the first attempt, then first and foremost, you need a mock taking and the actual exam taking strategy in place. This will make or break your chances of clearing the exam. In this video, we'll be discussing the mock taking strategy and the actual exam taking strategy that have helped over 160 plus students to clear their exam in the August 2024 attempt. And the same strategy has helped over 200 plus students to clear their exam in the May 2024 attempt. Hello guys, this is Ganesh Nayak. I am the founder of Fintelligents, where we help thousands of students clear competitive exams like CFA, FRM and SCR in their first attempt. So let us start with this video. First thing, what should be your mock taking strategy? After you register for the FRM exam, you'll have the option to select your exam date, exam location and your time. But students make a mistake here. They choose random dates and time without giving any proper thought, which can backfire. Choose a time based on your own habit. For example, if you're a kind of person who feels sleepy in the afternoon, avoid taking this time slot. Likewise, choose the most optimal time slot for you. You should give your mock exam in the same time slot. This will help your brain adapt to the same situation. Before taking a mock, do a full revision. Review important concepts and look at the formula sheet, and then go for the mock. After your mock is done, take a small break and do a proper analysis. Check all the wrong answers, see which question you skipped, and also review all the correct answer to ensure your approach was correct and not just a fluke. Most students neglect this step, and because of which they face a harm in their actual exam. They are never able to identify their mistakes, and eventually they are repeating the same one in the actual exam. After each mock, list down your 3 learnings and 3 mistakes. Follow the same pattern: revision, mock, analysis. After your last mock, ideally 4-5 days before your exam, do a full-fledged revision. Now, what should be your strategy on the final day of the exam? Here's what you should do. Once the exam starts, instead of jumping straight to the questions, take a few minutes, go through all of them. Identify the easiest questions. Based on this, you can take a decision whether to start from the beginning, end, or even middle of the paper. Once you have decided where to start, give yourself 5 to 10 seconds for each question. Read it and understand whether you are going to solve it now or not. If you have taken a decision that you can solve it, then go ahead and attempt it. If you can't solve it, don't just move to the next question. Instead, do this. First, flag the question. Second, if you are able to eliminate 1 or 2 options, do so. And then select one of the remaining options. Write down the question number and the 2 remaining options on your sheet, so that when you come back, you can choose any one of those remaining options if you want to change the answer. If you're not able to eliminate any of the options, choose any answer and move on and flag the question. After going through all the questions, revisit the flagged ones and try to solve them if time permits. Finally, attempt any remaining unsolved question. This way, you won't miss answering any question. In the last 5 to 10 minutes, make sure that you have selected all the questions because there is no negative mark. And then you're good to go. Hope you find this video helpful. Share it with your friends who are preparing for the FRM exam. And do not forget to subscribe for our channel for more such premium content.